Hello friends, today in this video I will show you power management tab missing in device manager of Windows 10 or 11. So it is very easy to fix this problem. So firstly you need to search registry editor and open it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now click on file, export, and save your export file, and you can easily backup. Import, click on import and backup this file. So this very easily you can backup. Now need to locate. So now locate edge key, locate machine, double click on it. Now system, double click on it, the system folder. Now here you see this current control set, double click on it. Now control, double click on it. Now here need to find power, this power folder, double click on it. So now right side, right click on it, new dworld, this dworld, click on it. Now this cs enable, so c was capital and e was capital, and don't give space, you need to spaceless type this all, cs enable. So simply type this and press enter and double click on it, and this value data is 1. This value data give 1 and click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.